Find features that distinguish it from other brands for TOPAZ Power Station Portable, 600W, 346Wh battery generator. We are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. 346Wh capacity for trips. When you're getting away for the weekend, bring TOPAZ Portable Power Station to charge your devices and appliances, up to 600W of upgraded power and 346Wh capacity. 8+1 ports for charging. Plug in 8 devices and 1 wireless charging for your holidays. The power station comes with 2 AC ports, 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, a DC output and a car outlet. Charge up in a flash. Achieve 80% battery capacity in just 30 minutes with the TOPAZ camping battery recharging technology, and a full charge in under an hour, great suitable for outdoor camping, home use, or power outages. Compact and portable. TOPAZ electric generator adopts a sturdy and lightweight plastic shell, plus an ergonomic handle, which makes it easy to carry, perfect for outdoor camping, road trips, backyard camping, home, school, office and more. Secured and assured. The Battery Management System, or BMS, allows for voltage control, temperature control, and more advanced safety operations. Designed with the cooling vents to help this solar power station keep the temperature constant, its internal electrical elements will not be damaged by high temperatures. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.